Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, December 20th, and it is 3 days later than I had originally intended on doing the voiceover and posting this video. But since I had all the footage recorded, I thought, why not just get it up? This week I'm going to be using a printable kit from PAPERCROWN planner called Snowflake Wishes. I did show this kit in my Christmas printable kit haul. And I have been saving this one because I do really like it. I was very excited to use it. It is sort of pastel pink, muted pinks, and gray and silver. And I will be using all silver foils as well as real silver glitter headers. I'm going to keep the talking to a minimum just because I want this video to go by really fast. I just wanted you guys to see what the kit looked like, how I did my layout this week. As usual, I'll leave a list down below of all the shops whose stickers that I used. Now that I've finished laying down all of my stickers, I'm going to go in quickly with my pen. I had a lot going on this week. The liquor store was so busy, which is expected at this time of year, but I ended up having to go back in the evening every day this week after the boys went to bed, just to make sure that my staff had some help stocking products. I had to make sure that they had enough change. I had to do orders because of the way that Christmas falls next week. The orders that I usually place on Monday and Tuesday and pay for on like Tuesday and Wednesday, I had to do them this week because the banks are closed, and so you can't do online payments through the liquor system that we have. And yeah, it was just, it's been a crazy week. So add that to real life. I've got basically none of my Christmas shopping done. I have one niece who is my sister's daughter. A lot of my other nieces and nephews are my cousin's kids, but I haven't bought her a gift yet. We have our extended family Christmas party on the 27th. I haven't bought that Secret Santa gift yet. There are so many things that I haven't done just because work has been so busy. And not only that, my mother-in-law usually comes 2 or 3 days a week to help me with the boys while I go to work. She actually has only been able to come one day this week because she has her own holiday plans with her friends and stuff like that. So it's been a crazy week, but it is what it is. That's life. If you notice here, I'm actually using a blue pen. It's a Sharpie fine tip. I couldn't find my black pen that I've been using, the Papermate Flare, but that's okay. As I've said before, I don't really love that one, and this is what I had at my desk at work, so I just used it. Doesn't really go with the kit, but it's okay. I was in a rush, and that's what I found. My youngest brother is on Christmas break from university, but he's really good at developing websites, and I had asked him to come and help me develop a new website for the liquor store, and so we've been doing that for a couple of days. And then my middle sister came on Wednesday. We baked some cookies. I'm trying to think of what else I wrote down that is sort of relevance. So you can see in the top corner that I said film, edit, upload, and that's actually this video, but that sure didn't work out. I'm going to try my very best to have my Christmas week video done and uploaded by Monday so that everyone can see it and it's just basically out of my hands. And that's that. So I want to take this time to wish you all Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Thank you so much for the great support that I've had so far in my first few videos. I really appreciate it. My new subscribers, I feel like we're all friends already, and I love that. And this is one of the biggest reasons that I wanted to start making videos. Planning videos are not always what I want to be doing. I do love them. I will keep doing them, but I want to keep going and doing other things. And so we'll see what the new year has to offer. So enjoy this time with your family. I hope you all get some time off. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great holiday.